How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles on the Instagram application, first and foremost, you have to head over to Play Store or App Store to update the app to the latest version. First of all, head over to it, tap on the search bar and type in Instagram. Check if any update is available. If so, tap on it. Likewise, Instagram Music is more accessible for the creator or business accounts than that of a personal account. Head over to your Instagram, tap on the profile on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. This will take you to another page from where scroll down until you see the account type. Once that is done, tap on switch to professional account. Now choose creator or business accounts, which will give you access to more of the Instagram music. Next option or step would be clearing the cache. This can help to resolve the temporary bugs. In order to do so, head over to your Instagram app and long press it. Head over to app info and then tap on storage and cache. Once you tap on storage and cache, clear the cache. Sometimes music may not be available in your region due to the licensing restrictions. If that is the case, it could be a workaround to use a VPN. Change your location to a country where Instagram music has more options. One of such is US. Now that this is done, log out and log in back to your account and check the music. However, if the issue persists, head over to the contacting Instagram support for further assistance. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.